What's up YouTube, Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today another exciting Samsung video for you guys. And we are very close to the One UI 8.0 beta release. If you guys are looking to test the official One UI 8.0 beta, then you're going to want to make sure you stay tuned to the members app. And Samsung has already uploaded some amazing beta content to the members app, including a banner and a bunch of brand new frequently asked questions pages that detail more information about how the beta works. Samsung seems to be taking it more seriously, maybe trying to get more casual users interested in perhaps testing, and we'll talk about that in today's video. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com. We cover the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews. You can also get in our mystery box program if you're in the US. Tap that orange banner at the top. If you purchase a Samsung phone, you'll be able to get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, screen protector, and other randomly assorted goodies. All you have to do is use our affiliate link to order. That's how we pay for the boxes. We cover the shipping cost as well. Currently, the S25 Edge boxes are open. They ship actually a week from today on May 29th. Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Watch 8 series are all open for signups. Tap the one you're interested in, put in your phone number, your email, or both. We will send you the purchase link. Our affiliate link goes straight to Samsung's website on launch day. Purchase through our link. You're going to get the mystery box. You also usually get an extra discount from Samsung because they give an extra discount through our link. So everybody wins, and you get the early links to purchase. Check that out in the pinned comment description below if you're interested. So last night, if we go to the Samsung members app, Samsung put, let me back out so you guys can actually see where it's at. Samsung put a new notice up talking about the beta. So if you see that little orange dot, that means there's something new. If you tap here, it says, let you know the new update for beta program. This was at 12:48 Eastern time, I guess, last night. We're announcing a new update in order to provide the better beta experience. Beta program has been reorganized. We'll introduce in advance which part will be changed. The procedure for participating in the beta program has become easier. We've changed registration process to only 2 steps, joining the program and participating in beta test. Once you join the beta program, you can freely join and leave, which is different than before. Now the beta terms and condition agreement process, which was previously required for each model, only needs to be completed once when you participate in the beta program. So if you have multiple phones, I assume a phone and watch, once they open the One UI watch beta program for One UI 8, you'll be able to join that as well without agreeing to those same terms and conditions again. Once you've participated, joining and leaving a beta test can be done with just a few taps. I think they mean taps instead of tabs. Remember, this is all translated from Korean, of course. Dedicated beta space. The beta program home has been added. Regardless of the beta test period, a new dedicated beta testing space has been created, which is always open. Here you can participate in each ongoing beta test and see useful information via the beta tips. I'll show you guys more about that in a second. You see here each ongoing beta test here and beta tips below. They've already started adding in some of these FAQs. How to access the beta program home. There are 2 ways to enter it. Select the beta section from the Samsung members home screen. We'll talk about that in a second. The section will always be displayed regardless of the beta period, even if it's closed, apparently, according to Samsung. In case of it being a participant in the beta test, the section is displayed on the upper side, so you'll be able to see it on the top. But this banner is already there if you scroll down. We'll look at it in just a second. Selecting the beta test recruitment banner from the home screen, the banner is displayed when there's an ongoing test you can join. That is as usual in the old programs as well. While participating in the beta test, please leave valuable feedback. Thank you. So if we go home here, back out of the notices, you'll notice there's no join banner available. The join banner usually appears up here. Not available here. Of course, I don't have any beta info here. But if we scroll down, below news and tips, below gallery, all the way at the bottom, we've got this dedicated beta section Samsung is talking about. We tap on this. Now we've got all this new information, including up here at the top, it says no new beta programs are available now. Check back again soon. Then beta tips. This beta tips section has a bunch of information in it, which is what Samsung was referencing in that notice that I just showed you guys. So first of all, it explains in detail what the beta program is. It basically explains what they're looking for in the beta program, which of course, all of us who are enthusiasts who've participated in past betas, we already know all this information. It seems like Samsung is perhaps trying to get more casual users who are just general Galaxy fans interested. My guess is maybe they did this, maybe they already planned it, but there's a lot of backlash from One UI 7 about various things like the split quick panel, your Bluetooth icons not being visible anymore in the quick settings unless you swipe down. Lots of people are mad about a lot of stuff with One UI 7. I saw the vitriol on my channel. Maybe Samsung wants to get more casual users in so they can give feedback on these things and not just hardcore users, like me and others who are enthusiasts. This kind of tells you and explains you what they're looking for, UX improvements. Beta program home is basically what we're looking at now. It shows you the ones you can join. You can see useful information about that beta test. How to join the beta test. using the beta program home, the banner. You'll be able to join it directly from the beta program home. Send beta error reports. So this is very important. It shows you how to detail the beta error reports. You can see it tells you to send the report very quickly right after you notice the error. Make UX suggestions, which again, I think they're really trying to get some people who are not hardcore enthusiasts to suggest what they would like to see in terms of the user experience. How to roll back the beta OS version. They're going to show you now how to do that. If you roll back, your device is still factory reset, which is not surprising, of course, given the nature of how they do this. They also explain how to use Smart Switch, which is the same process as usual, just if you want to roll back, you need to use it to back up your data. Update the latest beta version. Again, you can always use this very simply to go to the software update menu. How to leave the beta test. So if you want to exit if you don't like it. If you use containers to beta software, you can't receive all updates during the remaining beta period. After canceling, you can rejoin at any time. You can go back to the official version with the rollback. And then of course doing Smart Switch. Withdraw from the beta program. If you withdraw from the beta program, all of each beta test will be left. So you'll on all your devices at once. You'll have a separate section to do this, to remove it from every device that you have it on, if you have multiple. Beta ended, it'll show you in this beta home when the beta's ended. They're not going to release anymore. You have to join the stable release. That's pretty much as usual. And then there's a bunch more beta frequently asked questions. Is there any compensation? What conditions do I need? You need to agree to you need to have an eligible device, obviously. Reset my device. Can I install the beta software again? Yes. When is the firmware for the official available? It's not known. Pretty much, they tell you where to find things in the beta community. All this is things that we know as enthusiasts who've participated in the past, but I think this does make it more accessible to the average user. The only thing is Samsung should really give like a stability rating for each beta they release if they want to get more users, who are general users testing. Because if I'm a general user, I don't want to join an early beta that's buggy necessarily. Now, I think One UI 8 beta is going to be very stable when it first launches because I've been testing a leaked build for a while and it's very, very stable on the leaked build even. So I think a lot of general users could jump in. But in some past betas, like One UI 7, the first release was a disaster. It was a hot garbage fire in terms of battery life and some other things. So depending on the beta, I think they should include that in this beta home. So you have like a rating so you know if you want to try. Anyway, very exciting developments. One UI 8 beta should be coming next week. Make sure you check out sammyguru.com. Get in the mystery box program if you guys are interested in any of these devices. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.